Right, hopefully it's still filming. Now, I might need to cut that down a bit. Right, we're going to do our old favourite, which is this one. Where's the other one? Let me just see. I don't know whether... I might do that as the middle. Right, let me do this. Okay. So we're taking it 1 inch wide organza. And I need 5 petals. So sew across the top. At 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fold that back, so you're going across there. And repeat that 5 times, or as many times as you can, because I'm not sure how long I use about a metre. 1, go back down the other side. Make sure it's all turned the same way. Go back to the beginning. And where you started is where you finish. Okay? Now, I generally only used to do, I think it's 6 stitches. But I've started doing them with 10 because look at the ruffle. You're getting a really, really nice ruffle. Now I don't want to do it too much for the middle. So I'm going to leave a little gap. Let me put that there. Just ease it round, because all you're doing is evening out the ruffle. That's a ruffle. Like that. I'll take this. Now, what I'm going to do is to do the glue on here first. And I'm doing a circle from there. Okay, I'm just going to pop that on. Not quite central. That's fine. Then I just take this, because I don't need anything else. And I pop that in the middle. And look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So that's 3 different flowers using our new trims. If you can pop by the shop, see if there's anything you want. We do sell about 500 different items. Lots and lots and lots of goodies. And handmade things. So look on the handmade, type in whatever you want in the shop. Type in, you know, if you are looking for handmade goods that I've made, then you type in handmade. Just type the word handmade and everything that I've handmade that we've got in the shop will come up. On YouTube page, what you need to do is, when you're looking for something, I may have called a flower, you know, shabby chic flower, vintage flower, steampunk flower, embossed flower. If you type flower in, it will show many, but it doesn't show them all sometimes, because YouTube's quite funny. So sometimes if you're looking for a specific one, is to type in what kind, are you looking for an embossed flower, type in on embossed. It's just do whatever you can and pop by when you can, because it all helps and it keeps these videos coming, as well as the shop obviously. But what I do with mine is I invest it back into the shop so that I can get more and more items for you to craft with at very, very good prices. And hopefully when you've received all your goodies, you know, you like them. I mean, at the end of the day, we try and only sell the best quality. What I'll do now is I'll put these 3 in the shop as one, so there'll be a set, and you'll find them on the website. Thanks for watching, take care, speak to you all soon, have fun.